Hey, what up everyone? My name is Fanuel. I'm with my co-host here, Prince, as welcoming you to Soccer Forensics Talk.
Philip,
Okay.
all good, my boy.
Sweet, Donna.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to Soccer Forensics. This is a platform where you guys get the latest news from Orkanti up until la eka C. Zithola zishisa, zithola zibhakala, my boy.
Yeah, Donna.
Uthikamba.
Vandaag dan nastashe indaba ye CAF.
CAF, ne?
Yabo.
Champions League.
Yeah.
Okay.
Iyo nje yengathi nje bekwa big games this weekend.
This weekend, ne?
Yesterday.
Yeah.
So today kudlala Stellenbosch ne Simba. Yeah. So
Izolo.
Yeah. So
okay.
Izolo, we've seen Mamelodi Sundowns. They went through with Al Ahly.
Mm-hmm.
Then Orlando Pirates, same story nabo ne Pyramids.
Mm-hmm.
So I want us to look at that, man, because the following round in both South African teams, they will be visiting Cairo.
Cairo, no?
Yeah, to face those teams.
Egypt.
Yeah.
Okay. The first match, it was Mamelodi Sundowns versus
Al Ahly. Yeah.
What did you take from the match? Are you happy with the results, and what do you think is gonna happen up here, Cairo?
And to be fair with you, né?
Yeah.
Though I'm a South African fan,
Okay.
but according to
South African fan.
Yeah, like I'm a South African
yeah.
and football fan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like I don't wanna be biased, but we have to face reality.
Okay.
Al Ahly man, they showed up a game there.
True.
Yeah, they even scored 2 goals, although they've been ruled out. VR ama offside and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So Mamelodi Sundowns, they played mara bebadlala ihafini yabo most of the time, like they were not hitting Al Ahly.
That much.
Yeah, so for me, like now I'll congratulate Al Ahly for coming to South Africa and not trying to defend.
Okay.
Yeah, like it shows that they wanted to goal, man.
Yeah, they wanted an away goal.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for Mamelodi Sundowns to go to Cairo and winning that match, bro, it'll be something else.
Yeah.
I don't see them winning.
You don't see them coming back?
Yeah, I feel like this is the end of the road for Mamelodi Sundowns.
Reason being?
Because Al Ahly, they've dominated Sundowns in terms of creating chances. So imagine Mawia Cairo Glisa Stadium Liza, the Red Devils and on a Pegalisa Stadium. Siwa Siganje. Angithola bese siphuphuta le nto yazo leya angeke kubuye. At least if you would have scored la Loftus yabo uyele at least une 1-0, then hoping to find an away advantage.
Yeah.
Yabo, so manje makanje ntwana eshaya.
Okay,
things are not quite well for Mamelodi Sundowns, man.
What I took from the match, truly speaking, Mamelodi Sundowns was dominating on the ball position.
Yeah. As
you're saying, we played the ball from the back and it stuck there. We never got to a point where now Al Ahly was like on retreat.
Yeah.
For a good 20 to 30 minutes, first half or second half.
Yeah.
It's a lot. I don't know how to put it, but I feel like Al Ahly is Zela, Yasha Hispani, and then Yaham.
Yeah.
To the ways into Zenzega, how things played out, I feel like Al Ahly took this as a win.
Yeah.
It's an advantage for them because we'll be going to Cairo, as you're saying,
Yeah.
But either way, I was really happy taking from the match. I was really happy seeing Mshishi coming back.
Yeah.
He came back from Ebenchini and he shook up the match. he brought something new, although it was already a bit late now. But as we see, he hasn't been playing for like a long time.
Yeah.
And coming into a match like this, into CAF, and then still showing up, Uguti, like you still know how to play from the foot. Going forth, I think it's something promising. Giacomo Guti, although cinema star quality players like Sundowns, but then space akamshishi sisesekhona siyabonakala ukuthi kuyadingakala kakhulu.
All right, Donna. I wish to ask you, Donna, from your perspective of view. According to Mamelodi Sundowns idlala ngakhona right now, do you think ukuthi it's like lena ilendlela vele Mamelodi Sundowns ekumele idlale ngayo, or this is the Sundowns that you know?
Like, first of all, I'm not happy with the way the guys are playing.
Okay.
I feel like, I don't know, maybe if I'm still stuck on the Pizzo era or the Mukwena era nakhona. Man, the philosophy of Sundowns, this guy is just changing it. The way adlalisa ngakhona, I was really happy nakhona mangbona Suarez naye angekho ngithola.
Yeah.
We saw Libusa coming in as well, so I saw ukuthi like now uyazibona ukuthi umisa kuphi ama mistakes, and he's just trying to fix them. We saw Umtiba as well coming back nakhona esquadini. The boy, I feel like he was really disrespected. Sizodlala ne Kaizer Chiefs. He was on the bench the full match, and I don't think a quality player like Umdiba is just wasted quality kanjalo nje ebenchini.
Yeah.
But either way, I'm not really happy. I'm not really happy, and we were going forward. We were going to score, but I'm not happy with the way Slala Nakona. I think Nakona Mastetsa Kuluma. I don't think we had like a promising chance to a point where even like a shot on target. I don't think we do have a shot on target.
No.
But the shots were there, but on target, Lentana le Kunjuban, she's number 22. Wallah. Hey, yeah. That kid is he was there, nje, showing up. He was the guy to actually hurt Sundowns. Although some things like EVR Sizile.
Yeah.
I feel like some other decisions were going to be rolled as they were before being checked on the VAR.
Yeah.
There's like in handball, abantu bakhala ngayo inside the 16 area. The very same thing happened on the Pirates match nakhona, but on the Pirates it wasn't rolled out on our side, but then Pirates on the Pirates match it was rolled. It's my boy. It's just a lot. It's really a lot, my boy.
Okay, according to you, Manjinia Ekara, so do you think you will make your way to bounce back?
Bouncing back, Ndana, you can never rule out Mamelodi Sundowns. That's something that you need to know. You can never rule out Mamelodi Sundowns. Although change a style of play it's a different team each and every time you compete with them.
Yeah.
But Sundowns as well.
But Abi Al Ahly, they're the second team after Real Madrid in terms of continental cups,
titles.
which is true.
True, yeah.
Because Real Madrid, they are number one in terms of collecting UCL.
Yeah.
The Bona, they are number one La Africa in terms of collecting these CAF titles.
Which is true. It's a fact. It's something you can't even like dispute.
Yeah.
But what happened? What happened in Real Madrid match? It was playing against Arsenal, beaten home and away. like it was nothing. So I don't see Egypt going to be dominating the African football forever. South African teams, they are pulling up as well.
Yeah, they are pulling up. But now let's look at this match now. And me and like Ndana, I believe they can make a way to trash you out, and especially under the leadership of this Cardoso guy, man. Yeah. Like his tactics, come on, man. Like he even lost identity. Mamelodi Sundowns, the philosophy.
Yes,
Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns, they're no longer that scary, man.
Yeah.
I suffer Naliaga Rulani. Mina, I'll give a shout out to Rulani the way. Bekayiphethe ngakhona iriding iMamelodi Sundowns angithola like beko on that philosophy yeMamelodi Sundowns
the identity
idlala ngakhona like though obekashota lapha up front, but in terms of
even now sisashota lapha phambili and then I can't really say Siphelele sine a deadly striker the way uShashabe ngadlala ngakhona.
You guys I feel like you guys have everything, just that the way uKhadosi afuna ukudlala ngakhona. Yeah, bheka uRena simakafika lapha ya under uManqobo, bheka dlala I1 as a lone striker there. Nga apha kuza uRibeiro ngapha kuza Matthews. You've been banging those goals. Then manje mazothatha uRena lapha ya umfaka noShasha lapha ya, they end up even contradicting themselves. True. So yeah, I think ileyo ntana leyo ngifuna siyitouch.
On the Pirates match, do you see? Oh yeah, Umayele.
Yeah,
his star player said.
Relax.
What do you take of him?
Against Orlando Pirates, they drew not same as 2 goals being scored but ruled out by EVR. Nabo, so it was a great match to watch. Like Mauselberg and like Nelis, like it was a great match to watch.
Both of these games, man.
Nabo, like I don't see them coming down. Like Orlando Pirates, they are no longer the same now. I don't know if they are tired or what, but they are no longer the same, man. Young from MC Alga.
Yeah.
So Onamanje, like they've even created much chances against this team,
and they were dominated at
all. Yo, man. Like I feel like Ngati Bangaleta Ulo. Udlamini Glesa starting 11. I don't know who they can sacrifice, but I feel like they can bring Udlamini Glesa starting 11, man.
You think he can switch up things?
Because Ukabilo Dlamini uyabanikeza this creativity. Utito Fede yena but now since Abiyak injury I feel like he is not himself.
He's not fully 100%.
Yeah, so accessory titulo esmazi. So manje I feel like they can rely on uKabelo Dlamini. Yeah, uye ongabanikeza. Then switching to Pyramids, man. Yo, there's this guys wearing just number 11, but fat.
Yeah.
On the right hand side.
Yeah.
Let's just lay clever, man. Clever. Yeah, let's just lay.
Yeah.
Ne? Then ubuyela phakathi iSkupini. Kunoplathi Chore. Done. Relax.
For me that was like the star player of the engine of Yala
Pyramids, yeah.
He was the engine of Pyramids because
he was bossing that midfielder, man. Alone. Platy Chore.
Yeah.
So Sibuyela phaya kuMayele, man. I haven't seen much of him.
Yeah.
So, like I've seen that ball Algorilele offside,
yeah.
But looking at that ball, you can tell that quality is there in terms of the way are connecting a corner na lela ball lela. It was 1v1 with goalkeeper, but the way are connecting a corner, goalkeeper kabonanga next.
Yeah.
Uzongengane zesikole nje la. Yat.
Hey,
So yeah, man.
he's really
then the
promising.
second chance I told you, I think ile free header
Yeah.
wathatha walisa phezulu. There I feel like ngathi sesiyaskenywa manje mabazothi 40 million.
Nah, Ndana.
Come on, man.
I don't know, Ndana. I think Nakona, like the heat of the match, Nakona Ngithola plays like a real difference. That ball, I feel like it was just I changed direction the ball. Just
Connector.
yeah.
Connector, bro. Like you want an away advantage. Connect it to Lilapola Lilang.
Yeah.
Yangekhanda like usibisa yonke role ulaphaya lamdlula liza ku
Oh.
connect lento le phansi
And you need
maliphathele ku roofnet
uyenze ngathi like a diving header like ulathekile kahle kahle. That's why it went out, of which it's something ukuthi it needed to be like change direction nje alise phansi libhayithe phansi liye phezulu or side net ngithola.
sure.
But take nothing away from the boy. We saw, and Mina Ngogwam, I feel like he is a star player and he knows how to. He score goals for fun, man.
Do you think he can solve that Kaizer Chiefs trophy drought or that Kaizer Chiefs striking department?
At the moment, I feel like bringing him, it will just stabilize the ship. Because I'm just thinking, who will be supplying him?
No, let's just talk about him being there on the striking department. Like, let's forget about other players. Okay, let's say maybe by later Manima players as they've signed. Yeah. They will sign players. So, do you think like Uguzawake will add that?
It will,
field?
yeah. It will. It will
like
change. It will change things drastically for Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay.
He is a striker, and but not just a striker. He is a striker. He is a goal-scoring machine. I don't think it's been a while since I saw a guy like this in Ghana.
Yeah.
It's been a while. I think the last time I saw a striker that this dangerous, it was Ngabo Mpela, Kila Mpela.
Yeah.
When you know which when the
Nabumson.
ball Nabumson,
Sure.
when the guy has the ball on the fit apege a goal post.
Yeah.
Chances are 90% of that shoot that shot goes into the net.
True.
It's been a while. No, Shasha was dominating back then, but he wasn't at this level.
Sure. Yeah.
So he will add value. He will add much value for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, Tasha. I think manje we've wrapped everything. So yeah, please guys, continue liking, commenting. Those who haven't subscribed yet, please do so. If you pegele video as a list, just know that we're signing out. From me to you, one love, peace.
Soccer Forensics, we out.